So far, we have seen DSC's usefulness in the context of testing functions as units. Now let's take a look at how DSC could be used when the unit of test is a data structure. Previously, the tools we have seen to produce tests in this context are Korat and Randoop. We could also use random testing for data structures, but the same problem inherent to random testing still occurs. An error could be difficult to reach via randomness alone. In this example, we have a data structure which models a linked list in C++-like syntax. We define the type cell to consist of an integer field named data and a pointer to another cell named next. We next define the function foo, which takes an integer v as its argument and returns the integer 2 times v plus 1. Finally, we define the function testMe, which takes an integer x and a pointer to a cell called p and does 4 nested if checks. If x is greater than 0, if p does not equal null, if foo of x equals p dot data, and if p dot next equals p. If all 4 of these conditions are true, then the function throws an error. Otherwise, the function returns 0. A typical random test driver would do the following. It would generate a random value of x and a random memory graph reachable from an initial pointer p to give to testMe, filling in random values for the data field in each node. The probability that even the third condition, foo of x equals p dot data, is true is extremely small. In fact, 0 if p dot data is even. So it's highly unlikely that the error in this function would be caught by a random tester.